What is the construction industry made of? $1.3 trillion in construction each year, 680,000 firms, 7 million employees in the United States alone. At the same time, construction is one of the world's under-digitized sectors. So why does construction need digitalization? Reduces operational costs, reduces human mistakes, increases efficiency and productivity. How to reshape the construction industry with the help of intelligent solutions. Digital transformation may introduce mobile device management, enterprise resource management, blast management, cloud migration. AI/ML offers risk management, transportation route optimization, worksite image recognition for safety management, assets and equipment productivity analytics. AR/VR sets up, building 3D environments and user experiences, construction BIM visualization and collaboration, 3D reconstructions and laser scanning, real-time collaboration and remote tele-assist solutions. IoT brings intelligent alert systems and sensor data, vehicle fleet management and tracking, fuel consumption monitoring, visual site mapping. What is your digital transformation roadmap? Implement your digitalization strategy now with IntellectSoft.